Hello, today I'm going to show you how to make an interactive map using Keynote. It's pretty simple. So here we have Keynote, and with Keynote you can create a presentation. So I don't want wide menu because I'm not turning this into a video. I'm going to go to standard and white. The reason I choose white is so it's blank and I can use any color that I want on it. So to set up the map, I don't need these, so I can tap delete. Now when you click on the plus at the top corner, your shapes now have all these different objects, categories that you can go into. So I'm going to keep going until I find places. When I tap places, you will see all these different graphics here that you can choose from. So I'm going to choose the whole world, which is here, and drag that onto my Keynote and make it larger. Now that that's large, I want to make it interactive. The first thing I need to do is push the plus down at the bottom corner and create a template. So I want to create a template with information and maybe even a photo. So I'm going to select this one here. So this one I'm going to call Australia. Now I want to link Australia to this page, and it's quite simple. On here I want to add a text box. So I go all the way back to basic and text, and I can type Australia. So tap, Australia. Now I can put Australia on top of the Australia there, and I want to turn that into a link that links to slide 2. So what I do is I tap on Australia, and I can tap on the word link. When I tap on link, I can say link settings. I want to link it to the slide 2. So now in play mode, I've got my countries, and then when I tap on Australia, it goes to slide 2. I can do the same thing, plus, add a new slide, and I'm going to call this one Africa. Now when I go up to the top, I add a text, tap, and then Africa. So I can put Africa on top of the continent of Africa, tap on it, link, and this time I want to go to link settings, link to slide 3. Now in play mode, when I tap on Africa, it will go to the Africa page. All I need to do then is add a new photo for Africa, add a new photo for Australia, and type in some information for it. But what if I want to go back? If I go forward, I can't go back to the main page. So on each page, I want to add a text button. So I add text, tap, and I want to add the word back. If I drag the word back down to here, and I can go link settings, link to slide 1. Now on each page, I can tap that, copy, and when I paste it onto here, it should paste it in the same spot and the link should work. Let's check. Link settings, link to slide 1. So now I've got a full interactive map. Play, Australia, back, Africa, back. So that's how I make my interactive map on Keynote. So to take it further, I just want to make it a bit more exciting. So what I can do is I can tap on the map, push the paintbrush, and I can turn it green if I want. I can make it a darker green or a lighter green. I can tap on nothing on the slide, push the paintbrush, and I can change the background to blue to create a water effect. That blue's not going to work so well, maybe that one. If I want to be super creative, I can tap on the plus, go to the places graphics, and choose continent by continent. Now if I choose South America, and I might want to change the color first, paintbrush, change it to red, I can lay that on top of here, and I can actually link the whole continent instead of just having a word. Oh, before I do that, I want to make sure I have a page for it. So if I tap here, this one is going to be called South America. And then on here, I can tap the whole continent and link it to slide 4. And of course on slide 4, I need to copy this, copy, and paste it onto South America. Paste. If I put each continent on there, I can delete it and I can have a very colorful world. So have a play, link places to slides, go back and forth and have some fun. Good luck.